Alright, I just want to do a quick video. My 300. As you can see, I've removed the radiator, fan clutch to the water pump, just right here. You got your power steering pump, your alternator, crank pulley, your timing marks, just a tensioner down here, your AC compressor. Thing on this car is the belts were screaming like a banshee, so I had to figure out which one or which pulley has seized, and it's no pulley, it is this belt right here to the AC, tensioner, and crank. This one right here, and it is sitting on, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is sitting on that pulley, the water pump. See, I move it, it's away from it, put it back, it's back on. So I'm gonna have to adjust that and that, and pull it out.